What's good, people? My name is Kyo. In today's video, I'll be reacting to Chainsawman episode 3. I've watched episode 1 and 2 so far, so I caught up on the story, and I've really liked both. So I'm really keen on the storyline, on the surprises. Hopefully this one's going to have a little bit of mix of seriousness, character development, and funny side. So yeah, looking forward to it. But before I get started, I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone that commented, and subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much for the support. I am just very grateful for the growth on this channel. So thank you so much. Okay, so let's get started. All right, volume's a little bit higher. This is going to be in sub mode, so very excited. All right, let's get going. Ooh, brain. Purple blood. Must be a devil. Oh, Makima. It's like brother and sister fighting, throwing each other under the bus. Damn, that side view though. Oh, everyone listens to Makima. Makima though. He keeps looking at Power's outfit or chest. What? A little bit background story. Dumb as hell. Some funnels, some boobs. What? Oh, God, Denji, you're so blunt. He likes dogs, she likes cat. Huh? Oh, right on the bullseye. He's so serious, what? Everything about Boo, he's so serious. Jeez. Denji. Man, the artist who draws these characters, they just know how to accentuate these features. He keeps looking. Uh-oh. Don't trigger him. He's not triggered. He's just focused on his goals. Keep your eyes on the prize. They have the same vibe, Denji and Power. I know Makima is the bomb, but she didn't answer back. Maybe she is emotionally invested. Who knows? She's very calm. Like scary calm. Aki! Let's see some action. Let's freaking go. What's going on? Oh! What the hell's going on? Oh my God! Oh, a bat demon. Oh. It reminds me of the Batman from Batman universe. Oh my God! Wait, he's gonna regen? Disgusting. Maybe because of the devil blood. What? She played him. We trusted her. Wait, he's not gonna actually like go on a rampage, is he? He killed. He swallowed the cat. Break him. Chainsaw!
まずいまずいちばかりだ。口の中が気持ち悪いぞ。子供の血でうがいをしなければ。
Time to go berserk, Chainsaw.
返せ。
Give me my tits back. Let's go. Let's go. That's what you get. You deserve that one, bet. Oh, let's go. Oh. Cut him down. Yeah. Damn. You gotta protect them, Denji. Nice kick. I don't give a shit. Let's freaking. What the hell is that? What is that? Never mind. Never mind. Whoa. That's some pulse cannon he has. Let's go. No way! Oh, you know you did. Oh! Damn, that episode was sick. Wow. This is probably one of the best, probably my favorite episode so far. Yeah, definitely episode 3 is my favorite. Very surprised if it Power's plan. Sad that the cat died that way. That sucks. Maybe there's a way for Denji to save her. I'll find out on episode 4. But yeah, wow, that was amazing. Yeah, so if I'll definitely watch episode 4. But if you enjoyed my reaction or watching the video, please feel free to subscribe, like, comment. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me. Love Chainsawman. Looking forward to the storyline. So, till then, I'm Kyo, and I wish you all a great day. Take care, everybody.